Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Procreate tip that will help you create Procreate shape without any effort. This feature allows users to quickly create perfect circles, squares, triangles, and straight lines, which can speed up the design process while maintaining clean and precise shapes. When you draw a shape, let's say a circle or a square, don't worry if it looks messy at first. Just hold down your pencil at the end of the stroke and Procreate will automatically correct it into a perfect shape. Want more control? After the QuickShape appears, without lifting your finger, touch the screen with a second finger to snap it into a perfect circle or a square. And there you go. No more struggling to get those perfect shapes. Try it out and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to like and make sure to subscribe for more Procreate tips.